Hi. So in this video we are going to learn the divisibility rules of 6. So 6 is an even number. So any number which can be divided by 6 will also be an even number, right? Any multiple of an even number has to be an even number. Or how do we check whether a number is even number or not? Yes, it should be divisible by 2. And if a number is completely divisible by 2, that is without leaving any remainder, then it is called an even number. So since 6 is an even number, any number which is completely divisible by 6 will also be an even number. Or we can say divisible by 2. The number has to be divisible by 2, right? And what are the factors of 6? 6 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3, right? So any number which is divisible by 6 will have to be divisible by 2, that is the number has to be even, and it should also be divisible by 3, right? So suppose if I take 72, right? If I take 72, and how do we check? What is the shortcut of checking whether a number is even or not? In units place, it can have either 2, 4, 6 or 8 or 0, right? So it has 2 at its ones place or units place, so it is an even number. It will definitely be divisible by 2. Then also let's check whether it is divisible by 2 or not. So 2 3s are 6, and if we subtract, 7 minus 6 is 1. Let's note down the 2 over here. It becomes 12, and 2 6 are 12, right? So 72 is divisible by 2 and it is an even number. And now let's check the divisibility of 72 by 3. So what is the divisibility rule of 3? The divisibility rule of 3 was the sum of all the digits should be divisible by 3, right? So that means the sum of the digits, that is 7 plus 2, which is equal to 9, it should be divisible by 3. So let's check whether 9 is divisible by 3 or not. 3 3s are 9. So 9 minus 9 is 0. So remainder is 0. Since the remainder is 0, that means it is divisible by 3. So 72 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So it should be divisible by 6, right? Because yes, it is not or. It has to be divisible by both 2 and 3. Then only we can say it is divisible by 6, right? Because 2 can be written as 2 multiplied by 3. 6 is a multiple of 2 and it is also a multiple of 3, right? 2 and 3, both of them are prime number. So if a number is divisible by 6 or not, to check that, we have to check the divisibility of that number with both 2 and 3, right? So we have seen that this 72 is divisible by both 2 and 3. And now let's check if it is divisible by 6 or not. It should be. So we had 72 over here. Let's divide it by 6. 6 ones are 6. If we subtract, 7 minus 6 is 1. Let's note this 2 down. So it becomes 12. 6 2s are 12. And 12 minus 12 gives remainder as 0. We have got remainder as 0. That means 72 is completely divisible by 6. And this verifies our divisibility rules. And the divisibility rules were, it should be an even number, or it should be divisible by 2, and it should also be divisible by 3, right? This and is important. To check whether a number is divisible by 6 or not, the divisibility should be checked with both 2 and 3. And in the next video, I am going to teach you the divisibility rules of 7.